Welcome back. Our third program in this section is calculating the area of a circle. The area formula is pi times radius squared. This exercise introduces the concept of importing external modules to access high-precision constants like pi. 1. Importing the math module. Before we can use the value of pi, we must import Python's built-in math module using the import keyword. Once imported, we can access the constant pi using the syntax math.py. 2. Getting input and calculation. We ask the user for the radius and immediately cast it to a float. Then, we apply the area formula using multiplication and the exponentiation operator. 3. Displaying formatted area. The area is likely a long decimal number. We use an F string to display the final result, rounding it to 4 decimal places, which is standard practice for scientific calculations. To summarize, this exercise combines I/O and arithmetic with a critical new skill of using the import statement to access Python's vast library of built-in functions and constants. We just got a taste of the math module. Our next lecture, 0804. Using the math module.